Shemai Pau, today we're going to do a science experiment with dancing raisins. So we're going to look at how to make raisins dance. We're going to split this video up and I'll tell you if you're in year 3 and 4 what we want to do, and if you're in year 5 or year 6 what we would like you guys to do as well. So make sure you're listening carefully.
Hey guys, it's Aiden from Whiz Kids Science, and today we're going to make some raisins dance. All you need for this one is some raisins and some clear soda.
So for this part of the video, we would like you to pause it and to write your prediction. So for year 5 and 6, for your prediction, I would like you to think about what do you think will happen and why? And then is there something similar that you might have seen or experienced before that would help you to justify your reasons? Now, when you're justifying your reasons, I would like you to enhance it further and use another word instead of because, try and up-level it a little bit further. For year 3 and 4 then, we would like you to answer the question, what do you think will happen and why? For example, I might write, I predict that the raisins will float because of the fizzy bubbles in the drink. Or I might say, I predict that the raisins will sink because of the bubbles in the drink. Write your prediction now.
First, we're going to be demonstrating some properties about raisins. If I put the raisins in the water, they sink to the bottom because they're more dense. Let's watch what happens when I put them in clear soda. Soda is carbonated. The bubbles that you see are actually carbon dioxide. Let's put in some raisins.
So now we're going to pause the video again and write our method. So our method includes the equipment that we would use and a step-by-step guide of the experiment. So year 5 and 6, I would like you to give me a detailed list of equipment. So for example, I would write down 5 raisins, 250 millilitres of Sprite, 500 milliliter glass, etc. For year 3 and 4, I would just expect you to write them down in a bullet point format, raisins, glass, pop. Then for the step-by-step method of what you did in the experiment, so you want to use your time connectors first, next, then, after that, meanwhile, although, a little later on, and so on. For years 5 and 6, that's what we're expecting from you guys, a step-by-step method with the time connectives. And then for year 3 and 4, I would like you to just write me 2 sentences of what happened in the experiment.
The bubbles attach to the raisins. As the bubbles float to the top, they bring the raisins with them. When they reach the top, the carbon dioxide is released and the raisins sink back to the bottom.
So, as always, your experiment will end with a conclusion. So year 5 and 6, I would like you to tell me what happened and why. So tell me, does your prediction match your results? You might want to use the sentence starters as predicted the raisins, or you might want to use my prediction contradicts the results because, and so on. For years 3 and 4 then, we would like you, for your conclusion, just say, to conclude, my prediction was correct or incorrect, and tell me why. Don't forget you can pause the video throughout to write your prediction, method and conclusion. We can't wait to see what you guys have written. I look forward to seeing your results, and thank you for joining me with our science experiment today. I hope you enjoyed our dancing raisins. Hwyl then!